Yo guys, what's up? How's it going? Today we're here on Robinhood and I'm going to be getting another dividend stock to add to my portfolio. Now, I think I'm pretty well diversified here, and what I want to do is start increasing the number of shares that I have, at least right now. So I'm going to look at NNN again. It's a pretty good company. It's a REIT. I like it for long term. The current yield is 4.3%. Not the highest yield, but it's pretty safe. So you can see it's not at the all-time highs, but it's close to a high. But it really got hit back in the big dip when everybody got hit in March last year. So I want to add this to the portfolio. Doing $100 a month will make you rich. Once again, I'm not a financial advisor, but go back and look at my compounding video. Buy $100, done, sending order. Now, for some reason, the internet's been a little slow today for me, but looks like it went through. Now I'm up to 4.28 shares. So I'm starting to build this position out. So you can see I've already got a little return on this thing. Alright guys, tell me what you guys think about these dividend stocks. Creating passive income. Because that's my ultimate goal, is to create passive income, at least $50,000 a year. So, alright guys, like always, be sure to smash that like button. Get the word out there on investing, building wealth. Help us build and grow together. And subscribe for more videos on dividend investing and wealth building techniques. Thanks for watching.